In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "Your game requires a restart" error in League of Legends. This is a quick and simple fix, so let's get started. First, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type services.msc, and hit Enter to open the services window. Next, scroll down and find the service VGC. You can quickly locate it by pressing V on your keyboard. Once you've found it, double-click on VGC. In the window that opens, change the startup type from manual to automatic. If the service status says stopped, like mine, click the Start button to begin the service. After that, click Apply and then OK. Now right-click on the VGC service and select Restart. Next, close this window and go back to the Start menu. This time, search for Task Manager and open it. On the left side, click on Startup Apps. In the Startup tab, look for vgtray.exe, also called Vanguard Tray Notification, and Riot Client Services.exe, also called Riot Client. Make sure both are enabled. You should see Enabled under the status column. If either is disabled, right-click on it and select Enable. Once both are enabled, close the Task Manager window, restart your computer, and then try launching League of Legends. This should resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.